Good morning from Master Trust and welcome to Thursday's trading session at Dalal Street dated the 14th of August 2025. The US Dow Jones increased 1.04%, settling the day at 44,922.27, while the Nasdaq ended the session at 21,713.14, increasing 0.14%. In the Asian market, Nikkei is trading at 42,670 and Hang Seng is trading at 25,766. GIFT Nifty is currently trading at 24,687, indicating a start in the red for the Indian market. FII sold 3,644.43 crore in the cash market, while DII bought 5,623.79 crore in the last trading session. ONGC Q1 net profit drops 10% on lower oil prices. Coal production and dispatch declined for the second consecutive month in July. Now talking about global aspects, dollar slips lower. Expectations rise of Fed cut in September. US crude oil inventories unexpectedly rose by 3.0 m barrels versus a forecasted 0.9 m draw. WTI down 0.8% to $62.65 a barrel, and Brent fell 0.7% to $65.63 a barrel. The dollar index is trading at 97.48. The US 10-year Treasury yield is at 0.33%, down. Here is a recap of Wednesday's trading session. Indian benchmark indices rebounded strongly, snapping prior session losses, mirroring Wall Street's rally as cooling US inflation boosted hopes of a Fed rate cut. Domestic sentiment improved after India's July inflation fell below the RBI's 2 to 6% target for the first time since 2019, reinforcing expectations of a policy easing later this year. Outlook for today, Nifty 50 rebounded strongly, snapping prior session losses. However, strong resistance near 24,700 remains a key hurdle. The index is trading below its 21-day and 55-day EMAs, both near 24,800, making this zone crucial for any trend reversal. On the downside, support is at 24,450. A break below may lead to 24,300. Given the weak outlook, positional traders should adopt a sell-on-rise approach until clear signs of recovery emerge. Bank Nifty ended slightly higher and it is facing resistance near the 55350-5540 zone, aligning with the previous day's high. The index is hovering near its 21-week EMA and continues to form lower highs and lower lows, indicating a weak structure. To gain momentum, it must sustain above the resistance zone. On the downside, support is at 54,800, a break below may lead to 54,300. A sell-on-rise strategy is recommended for traders. Stocks on the radar. Bullish view, ABB, Voltas, Max Health, NBCC, Petronet. Bearish view, SRF, PGAL, OIL, Colpal, Kalyan Jewellers. Trade of the day is bullish on Uno Minda. Buy at 1,114, stop loss 1,080. Target 1,190. Rationale, bullish reversal. That is all we have for now. For any queries, do visit our website www.mastertrust.co.in. Thank you and have a profitable day. Please note that stocks mentioned in the podcast are only for educational purposes. Our company or any of its employees shall not be held responsible for any investment or trading action undertaken by any person based on stocks mentioned in this podcast.